on, is it?
Yeah, it is. Filming behind the scenes.
For real?
Yeah. Hey, Robert. Got any behind the scenes comments?
Is that really on?
Yes.
Oh my god! Whoa!
No, I don't.
Okay. You think so? Hey. Got anything to say?
No. Hi.
Gagan, are you nervous?
No. I see myself.
Hey, Brenen, got any behind the scenes comments?
Well?
Hi.
No, I don't.
Hi.
Okay.
I say hi. Hey, can you look at me again? Okay. Look at my fingernails.
And Matt, are you nervous?
No, not really. I'm Ida. Look at me. I'm Maureen, and I'm Penny, and I'm Silliness, and I'm someone else, I think.
Yeah, it's on.
I'm not nervous.
Think tonight will be better than last night, or worse, or about the same?
Oh gosh, it really is
It'll be
on.
better.
Probably
It'll be better.
Oh yeah, you've got a bigger part.
This is why I said you shouldn't do the behind the scenes through all of it.
Someone said my name. And I'm Penny.
I think we're actually supposed to eat the bread.
Oh yes, I was hoping I could eat it.
Can I eat it?
No.
I don't know.
And then just like cover it up for tomorrow.
Left.
Because I'm sorry, but that looked kind of weird yesterday.
Yeah, I know, you're like...
She was like...
You're both like, yeah, because you said we were... She said...
How are we going to get the card back out until tomorrow?
I don't know.
It's like you're smacking.
So how is it?
How was that?
Listen. No.
All right.
Come on, children, try this.
All right, signing off. Goodbye.
No, not.
Yes, bye. Okay, what do you want to say?
I didn't really have anything to say, actually.
Get
Well, you don't have to tell her.
She's sick.
No!
Honk. Oh wait.
Honk 08.
Yeah, your hand is in front of my face.
Yeah, but no one wants to see your face, so it's okay.
Exactly.
How did you think the play went?
I don't know.
Okay.
Pull that out.
About the same as last night?
Wait, and they were...
Okay.
What's wrong with you? Welcome to Outside.
Now, what have... No, it's not that. Now, where have they got to? Shabby flock, I do wish they would keep up. No discipline. That's the trouble with them goslings of today.
Oh, go them, little brother.
No.
Oh, there's Matt. Oh, no.
Where did Brenen go?
There's a little brother.
Where did Brenen go?
I can tell.
You say good luck, Brenen. Say good luck.
Why are you hunting him down? Why are you hunting him down for saying good luck? Hey, Brenen.
Only Brenen.
And that's not the reason I'm attacking him.
Only Brenen. Swirly time. Swirly time. Swirly time. And the toilet. How are you gonna work it out? Will you give me a hug and say I'm sorry? Okay. Okay.
This could be used against you in court.
It could. Hug me. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Someone needs a cuddle. Hey,
Him being colorless.
how did you think it went?
It went marvelous,
okay.
except for all the bad parts. But other than those,
Why am I
And
in
me
there?
forgetting,
No one likes
me
you.
forgetting my line.
There's only two. There's only two.
It was only like 5 million. Why are you videotaping all this?
What's wrong with you, fool? That's better. Now I can see you.